Guys, this is Alex with Eustis Roofing. We just want to show you a little bit what we're doing right now. We're doing this balcony. We're going to install PVC with the wood look. First of all, we got to prepare the wood. We got to sand it. We got to fill up every hole so that way everything is smooth. We're going to show you a little bit of the process, and stay with us. So they installed this peel stick to the wood, and right now it's as you can see, it's stuck to the wood. So now we have to install new plywood over. So over here they installed this flashing. It's only about 3/4 high from the deck to the wall. So what we're gonna do different here, we're gonna do something different. We're gonna cut the stucco a little higher to prevent water going back. So we're gonna make a new flashing. We're gonna stuck it in underneath here to prevent any water goes. After we install all the plywood around it, we're gonna put some filler, wood filler here in every joint, every nail, every little defect of the wood, and then we're gonna sand it down so that way we have a smooth surface. All right, so we already installed our plywood. We sand it down, we seal the seams. Also we put the drip edge. Right now we just put in the glue to glue down this PVC wood grain. So now we install this flashing right here so that way we have a nice corner here. And also you seen that we seal behind the flashing and the bottom too, so that way it's sealed on the top. And also when we run our material, we're gonna seal it, and we're gonna seal it behind for more watertight, so that way we don't have any problems. So right now we're gonna do something much better. We're gonna make sure this roof doesn't leak, so we're gonna seal the top. I know we already sealed the flashing, but right now we're gonna seal the top of the PVC right now, so that way when it sticks to the wall, it's gonna be sealed down pretty good. So if any future, if the stucco cracks and water runs behind, it's gonna be sealed, so it's gonna go over our material. It's gonna run off. It's not gonna run behind our material.